Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to screen record on Snapchat without them knowing iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Snapchat is designed to notify users when someone takes a screenshot or screen record their snaps or stories, so there's no official way to screen record without knowing them. So however, there are some workarounds to do it. What you need to do first is use another device. Record the screen or take a photo with another phone or camera while viewing the snap. This method won't trigger Snapchat notification. Then you can use screen recording with airplane mode as well. Simply start screen recording on your iPhone. Turn on airplane mode to disconnect from the internet and open the snap and view it, and close Snapchat completely and turn off airplane mode. This doesn't always work due to the app updates and may risk your account as well. Then next is to use third-party apps, which is not recommended. Some app claims you to screen record or save snaps secretly, but they violate Snapchat terms and risk your account getting banned or compromised. Many are scams or malware. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.